Welcome to Big Bird Run!
We have our 1 mile winner this morning at the 36th annual Big Bird Run. What's your name?
My name's Tyler.
Where are you from, Tyler?
Roseville.
Tell us about your race.
It was pretty good. I wanted to break 5, but you know, I can't always get what we want. But I mean, I can't complain about first. I guess it's good.
Pretty good. There's a lot of turns in this one.
Yeah, I'll probably be back next year for the 5K and whatnot with my dad. My dad also ran. I think he got like 3rd or 4th.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah. So a family event.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, very cool. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, let's hear it for the Roseville High School Marching Band.